Hello class, I have been asked to explain how to go about saving your review 1 and placing it in the Dropbox after you work that. Notice this, when you go into your course, you're going to go into course content, and you should see that you have a Unit 1, Week 1 through 3. In week 1, if you'll click week 1, this shows you what to do the first week. Notice the Ed Ready review, so you should save your email that Ed Ready sends you after you've completed the Ed Ready Goal 1 and made at least an 80, and then you'll upload that into the Dropbox for Ed Ready. If you click on the Ed Ready review, it tells you how to go about signing into Ed Ready and doing all that. The Unit 1 review, when you come to this, what you're going to do is, this is the review. You're going to click on the review. It'll open up here, and you're going to go down to the bottom somewhere, and you're going to download the document. And you can print the document, okay, or download and print. And when I do that, let's see, it'll look like this. Okay, so here's my document. So you can do this one of two ways. If you want to print this off and then write on the document, you can do that, or you can actually type on the document. Like today on this, I type my name, and then if you wanted to put in say 2/10 here, you can do that, and you can go through and answer. I think most of these in this review you could actually type. Later you will have to print out and draw some graphs, but most of these you're going to be able to type. So you want to type your answer. Now it may help to come back up to where you type and maybe make that bold or something so that it's easier to see. You could tell it bold or whatever, so, or you could do a different color or whatever. But once you get that finished, you're going to go up to File, and you're going to save it on your desktop. So File, Save As, and you can do Browse or whatever, and then you can save it to your desktop. Right there's desktop. And what I did, I saved it, and then I put my first initial, last name, and that's how I saved it. And so I'm going to go ahead and click that again. I've already saved it. Okay, so you already saved this. I'll just say yes. Okay, so I have the document saved. Now that's one way to do it. The other way to do it is actually print out the document. And if you have an iPhone, there is a program called ScannerPro. It costs some money, not much. I can't remember how much. You may find another free scanner program, but ScannerPro will allow me, I work the document, and what I do is I pull up ScannerPro and I take a picture of each page, and it combines it into one document. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Once you get it finished, what it does, it saves it as a PDF document. Okay, it'll take all your pages. Notice this is scanned using that ScannerPro, so you could do that. And then you could save this document to the desktop, which I have somewhere, but do File, Save As. And the reason I do the desktop, it's just easy for me to find desktop, and I've called it Unit 1 Review, Canon, and Save. Say yes. Okay, so you can do it one of two ways. Now you can use a scanner. You're welcome to do that, whatever you want to do. But once you get these documents saved, I'm going to close this up, and I'm going to close this one up. Okay, so once you have these saved, you're going to go back to course content. You are going to go back to week 1. And down here it says Dropbox assignment week 1. Now notice there are 2 Dropboxes. The first one is for Ed Ready. So if you'll take and upload your Ed Ready. But like on this one, this is my Unit 1 review Dropbox. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to this. I'm going to tell it to upload, or you can actually drop it in. And I've got to come and find on my desktop the document that I saved. So I could do either the scanner version or the Word document, whichever. I'm going to click the Word document. I'm going to do open, and I'm going to do something, submit to Dropbox. And so now if you look at your Dropbox, there should be one submission. Let's see, there it is. It says submissions, so there it is. And so once you do that, once I've submitted this, okay, week 1, I've let me see, I'm double checking to make sure this. Notice you'll have to be sure to do the Ad Ready one first, and then you do Unit 1 review. Now once you do these two things, what you're going to do is you're going to take a quiz over this information. And assessment Unit 1 quiz, I was looking for it. So you can click week 2 and come down to the bottom, assessment Unit 1 quiz. And notice you'll be doing the first attempt at Unit 1 quiz with a score of 70 or better is due this week. Okay, so what happens is I haven't submitted anything in Ad Ready, so my quiz didn't open up, but yours will open up, and then you can start taking that quiz. And what you want to do this week is try to take it one time. So it's located under week 2 down. If you'll click week 2, it's down at the bottom. Or I think you can go at the top, activities and assessments. And right now I have no quizzes available because I have not submitted anything into Ad Ready. But I hope this helps. If you have any more questions, let me know.